Just got an Nvidia Shield TV here. This is the non-pro version. That's a pretty cool little reveal here. Isn't that neat? It has the new remote and the new tubular design. The difference between this and the Pro is the Pro has USB ports, full-size A-type, and the Pro also has 3 gig of RAM. This has 2 gig of RAM. Kind of interesting with these small things. I wonder how the thermal performance varies between these. Not sure how to open this. Oh, here we go. It just slides out. And let's take a quick look at this. It has this. It looks kind of like the old Mac Pro with the trash can design. Air goes through it. I would imagine there's fans internally that kind of suck air through it. Yeah, you have a micro SD slot there, the HDMI port, and on this end you have power and you have Ethernet. So interesting thing with the power is I guess the power brick is integrated into this tube, so it's pretty compact. I'm planning to kind of stick this behind my TV and just maybe set up a wireless controller with it, because I want to do maybe some emulation, because I've always heard the Nvidia Shield products were very good for emulation. So I'm really interested in that, as well as I want something that can handle doing 4K Plex. I have an LG OLED TV, but the built-in Smart TV Plex app struggles with 4K content. 4K on Netflix works fine, but I think it's encoded heavier. This is more like 4K Blu-ray style stuff. So the remote is really cool. It's this triangular design. First impression, just picking it up, it fits your hand nicely. It feels better than a flat remote. The way your thumb kind of sits here, it feels very natural. It has a microphone built in. It just has the one Netflix button here, and you got a raised bump over the microphone thing, so that's really nice. If you're fumbling with a remote in the dark, or if you're blind and watching TV, I don't know, but it's nice. It's nice whenever there's tactile things. So there's also a tactile bump on the play pause button, which is something that generally gets pretty heavy use. It has an IR blaster. I couldn't find out just on the web page specs if you can program it for your TV, so I'm going to try and find that out too. Not quite sure on that. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, that's just nothing. Let's take a little closer look at some of this. So your power cord, you have a pretty nice long power cord here, but hopefully I can just use this little rubber band with it and hide it behind the TV and not have wires hanging all over the place. Very compact, pretty big head on this. Like, it's some AC adapters are, not much bigger than that. So was there a point to integrating it? I don't know. Not much else in here. There's just manuals, support guide. It's one of those multilingual things that tells you nothing. And you get the very basic of how do you connect this to your TV sort of thing here. For full instructions, go to nvidia.com/connect. Anyways, that's all. This is just a little quick unboxing overview. I am going to check this thing out. I am pretty excited to give Android TV a try. I haven't had the opportunity. I've played around with Amazon Fire. I have used many Rokus. I have a Chromecast Ultra, and I'm hoping this will be the ultimate experience in a streaming device. Partly because of the power of Google Play apps and the Google Android operating system. I have a good feeling about this. Anyways, thank you for checking out this video. Remember to like and subscribe for more content like this. Later.